Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock a new seed shop in Grow a Garden Very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the new seed shop looks like, and if you want to unlock this seed shop, you need to unlock tier 2. And to unlock tier 2, you can upgrade your friendship level with the NPC. You can feed this NPC with the food you have cooked up. Wait, I'm going to go to my food item inventory. Okay, and you can feed the NPC to upgrade your level. You just need to click on feed here, but it has cooldown time. So after you feed the NPC with the food, you need to wait for about 24 hours. And then you can feed it again with the food. So you need to wait for the cooldown. Okay, and to get the food, guys, make sure that you have unlocked the cooking kit. You can unlock the cooking kit and then you can place the cooking kit on your garden. If you want to get this cooking kit, you can complete the common achievements. Wait, I'm going to open up my garden guide. And this is how you can unlock the cooking kit. Go to the core plants achievement, go to common achievements, and these are the missions or the quests that you need to complete to unlock this cooking kit. And you can place the cooking kit on your garden and then start cooking for the NPC. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!